Hey kiddos, welcome to ABC for Kids. Here today, you're gonna learn how to draw a ladybug. I hope y'all are ready and y'all are excited. Get your pencils, markers, whatever you have, and we're gonna get started. First, we're gonna start out by drawing the letter T. No, this ain't the alphabets, but this is how we're gonna do it to make the ladybug easy. See a line on the top like this. Now the long one going down, it's like a T. Just like that. All right. Now let's draw some legs. No, it's not a little stick man. Now we're going to draw the head like an oval, just like this. All right. See how easy that is? Now let's draw the circles. It's going to be 4 of them. 2 on each side. Those are the ladybug dots. Okay. Another one right here. And one more on the other side. See how easy it's becoming? Yeah. Now let's draw the antennas. There we go, one right here, one on the other side. You always gotta have 2. Okay, now we're gonna connect the body. This is where the wings are. Just like this. And then down here, we're gonna connect to the top now. Just like we did on the other side. See how easy that is? Now you can tell it's a ladybug. All right. Now let's add some legs. These are the top legs. We're gonna add 6 altogether, 3 on each side. 1 more here in the center, and then 1 at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. Here we go. Awesome. See, y'all are good. Okay, now we're gonna add some eyes to the ladybug. There you go. And a little smile. Well, I hope you kiddos had a good time. I enjoyed drawing with y'all, and I hope y'all had a good time yourselves, and I hope to see y'all next time. Take care. Bye.